Welcome to the best picks. The best hair cutting scissors is probably one of the most important tools for hairstylists, impacting the quality of cuts and client experience. Choosing the right pair means considering factors like blade material, handle design, length, and even the weight and feel in your hand to ensure comfort and precision during extended use. This video will guide you through the essential features and considerations to help you find the perfect pair of professional hair cutting scissors to elevate your hairstyling game. Number 5. Equinox 6.5 Hair Cutting Scissors. It delivers sharp, precise cuts every time. These professional tools are perfect for creating any style. The sleek stainless steel design minimizes hair clutter, making cleanup quick and easy. Enjoy a cleaner cutting experience. Experience superior comfort and control with the included finger inserts and finger rest. They are designed to enhance your cutting precision. They are made with top-notch quality and durability. It's a favorite among hair enthusiasts for its reliable performance. You can always count on these scissors to get the job done right. They are a high-quality, dependable tool for all your hair cutting needs. These professional hair cutting scissors are perfect for men and women. They are ideal for both home and salon use. What we like? Its sleek design minimizes hair clutter for easy cleanup. If you value precision and comfort, this is the perfect tool for you. It's ideal for hair enthusiasts who want a comfortable and efficient cutting experience. What people say. Great quality for such an inexpensive pair of barbering shears. Purchased as a practice pair for my daughter who's in a cosmetology program while in high school. She said she likes them better than the shears that came in her Cosmo kit. They are sharp, feel good in the hand and cut well. Well built, nothing wrong with it. Size and weight are on point. Sharpness is great. Works great. Feels great in the hand. Extremely sharp. It's always hard to pick which scissors in a sea of scissors available on Amazon. Glad I picked these, they work great. I tested with a chunk of thick hair and it sliced through like butter. I tested on my head hair and beard hair, works great on both for cutting clean straight lines. I also like that the knob adjustment has a lock so that it doesn't loosen over time on its own. Number 4. Equinox Razor Edge Series Scissors. These shears are made from premium Japanese stainless steel. The blades are precisely tempered and hand-sharpened for incredibly clean cuts. With a curved finger rest and perfectly sized finger holes, it's comfortable to use for extended periods. They're ideal for professionals and home users alike. At 6.5 inches, they're the perfect size for all hair types and ages. The design ensures safety and ease of use for everyone. Weighing only 3.5 ounces, they're lightweight and easy to handle. Plus, the adjustable screw lets you customize the tension for your perfect cut. They arrive vacuum sealed and oiled for protection. Simply wash with mild soap and water, then dry with a soft cloth to maintain their sharpness. What we like? These are crafted from premium Japanese steel, ensuring exceptional sharpness and durability. If you prioritize ergonomics and lightweight design for ease of use, then this is your best choice. It's perfect for professionals and home users alike who want a comfortable and efficient cutting experience. What people say. Great quality for such an inexpensive pair of barbering shears. Purchased as a practice pair for my daughter who's in a cosmetology program while in high school. She said she likes them better than the shears that came in her Cosmo kit. They are sharp, feel good in the hand and cut well. Well built, nothing wrong with it. Size and weight are on point. Sharpness is great. Works great. Feels great in the hand. Extremely sharp. It's always hard to pick which scissors in a sea of scissors available on Amazon. Glad I picked these, they work great. I tested with a chunk of thick hair and it sliced through like butter. I tested on my head hair and beard hair, works great on both for cutting clean straight lines. I also like that the knob adjustment has a lock so that it doesn't loosen over time on its own. Number 3. Utopia Care Hair Scissors. These premium hair scissors are crafted for both professional and personal use. Experience effortless cutting and styling, no matter your hair type. They're made from superior stainless steel, ensuring exceptional durability and long-lasting sharpness. The handcrafted blades provide optimal control and balance. The super sharp blades glide through hair with ease, achieving precise cuts every time. Say goodbye to frustrating snips and uneven trims. Perfect for salons, barbers, and home use, these scissors are suitable for all hair types and ages. They're a truly multi-purpose tool. The ergonomically designed handle provides superior grip and comfort, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The non-slip feature ensures accuracy and control. Built to last, these scissors are a worthwhile investment for anyone who values quality and precision. Their handcrafted blades are designed for long-term performance. What we like. Made of superior stainless steel, it provides optimum control and balance. If you need a versatile tool for various hair types and cutting needs, this is the one. It's suitable for salons, barbers, and home use, making it a great all-around choice. What people say. Great hair cutting scissors. The quality is impressive, with a sharp blade that allows for clean and effortless cuts. It feels sturdy and well-made, giving you a sense of durability and precision. The ergonomic design makes it easy to control and achieve precise cuts. The sharpness and cutting precision. These scissors are extremely sharp, allowing for clean, precise cuts with minimal effort. The stainless steel blades glide through hair smoothly without snagging, making it easy to achieve professional-looking results. One of the features I appreciate most is the ergonomic design. The handles are comfortable, and the finger inserts make them adaptable for different hand sizes. They're lightweight, so I don't experience fatigue even during longer use. The scissors are made from high-quality stainless steel, which not only gives them a sleek, polished appearance but also ensures durability. Number 2. CIICII Hair Cutting Scissors. These shears are crafted from premium 440C stainless steel, ensuring lasting quality and a comfortable feel. The hand-polished blades provide a smooth, even cut. The offset handle reduces fatigue during use, while the high-rebound muffler minimizes noise. The adjustable screw lets you customize the tension for your preference. These scissors are perfect for various hair types and styles, from trimming and shaping to thinning. They're also great for beards, wigs, and even pets. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: shears, thinning scissors, a comb, clips, a leather bag, cleaning cloth, and an adjuster. It's ready to use right out of the box. It comes with a stylish leather bag, making it an ideal present for friends and family. They're safe and easy to use for people of all ages. We stand behind our product with a 90-day unconditional return policy and a 365-day warranty. Our customer service team is always ready to assist you. What we like. The offset handle design reduces fatigue, while the thinning shears add versatility. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit with multiple tools and functions, this is it. It's perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a variety of cutting options. What people say. The scissors were sharp and easy to use, brush was convenient and good quality. The blades are sharp, and I especially appreciate the thinning shears. The quality of the case is nice, and it fits nicely in my vanity without taking up too much space. The scissors are sharp and comfortable in my hand. Number 1. Hair Cutting Scissors Kit. It features an upgraded design with soft inner rubber rings. The premium stainless steel ensures a glossy finish and prevents rust. These shears boast a high-end design. The shock absorber reduces noise and wear, while the adjustable screw allows for customized tension. It's perfect for slicing wet or dry hair. They are ideal for creating stylish looks and texturizing hair, suitable for all ages and skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these scissors make achieving the perfect look easy and convenient. They are great for DIY haircuts. We stand behind our product's quality. If you're unsatisfied, contact us anytime. We're available 24/7. This kit makes a wonderful gift for friends and family. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. What we like. The upgraded design includes a shock absorber to reduce noise and wear. If you need durable, high-quality shears with a modern design, this is for you. It's a great option for both beginners and experienced users who want a reliable and comfortable cutting experience. What people say. The scissors are fabulous. Nice, sharp and weighted nicely. This hair cutting scissors kit is of very nice quality. The scissors are sharp, well made, and easy to handle. They cut smoothly without pulling or snagging. I bought this kit to do my husband's undercut and beard. It has held up pretty well and works great. The battery life lasts a long time and it also has 2 speeds. The digital display is a great feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.